Get in there. Hi, my name's Barry Crampton. Today I'm going to show you around our Land Rover Discovery, then I'll take you for a ride in it, but first I'll tell you a little bit more about it. If these lot will stop cocking me up, that'd be great. Today's a challenging day. Okay, so we've got xenon headlamps, high pressure headlamp wash, front fogs, front parking sensors, the Land Rover grille on the side, multi-spoke alloy wheels, and it's got almost new Pirelli Scorpion Zeros all round. Power folding door mirrors, the panoramic glass sunroof, the roof bar carrier system. Here we've got keyless entry, keyless lock, keyless go. As long as you've got the keys on you, if you just touch that button, locks the vehicle. When you come back to it, fingers behind the lock and it'll open up for you. Aluminium side steps. It's also got the door protectors on this, mud flaps all round, rear privacy glass, and the plastic wheel arch protectors. There we go. It's a split tailgate. Can never remember where the switches are. Bags of room in the back. It's got a heavy duty rear load cover, so the carpet's like new under there. Split rear seats. There's an aluminium scuff plate on the rear bumper, so you can load luggage in without scuffing all the top of your paint, and a heavy duty tow bar there, and rear parking sensors. Heavy duty rubber mats, or rubber floor mats in the back here. The sides, both side seats here are heated as well, as are the front seats. Inertia reel belts, and it's got the three, well, it's kind of a panoramic roof, but it's in three sections, and you've also all got your own shade bands as well. You've got 6 and 7 seats in the back, which I almost forgot about. Harman Kardon speakers all round, and this, what you know, it looks like everything's hewn out of a big block of aluminium in Range Rovers stroke Land Rovers. Really well made, as you would expect, made to go off-road. So like anything else, heavy duty. If you're not using it, going off-road and so on, it should last longer. Lovely car. Okay, I'll just take you for a ride in it. Got the two Land Rover Range Rover keys there. I'll just stick them in there and hopefully they don't rattle. Foot on the brake, keyless go, and the rotary gear selector. Now, I always do this, the old roulette, memory seat roulette. Oh, that's not too bad. Not too bad. Now we'll get comfortable. But just to show, it's quite a big car, but it's very, very easy to drive. They've got a fantastic turning circle. Just get it all the way back there, and you've also got height and reach adjustable seat. If you sit on the steering wheel, that is, or to the rest of your height and reach adjustable steering wheel. Okay, I'll just show you. So, power folding door mirrors. There's just a road here, but just still nothing coming. So what a fantastic turning circle for a big car. Handles great, nice and smooth, plenty of room. You've got 7 seats. The back seats fold up out the floor, otherwise it's a dead flat floor. Got sport just there, just press down and flick over to sport. To be honest, I think they should have saved themselves an S. Who's going to buy one of these and want to drive it in sport? It's nice and comfortable. Family mobile. You're more likely to. It's been snowing today here. It's lovely and sunny now, but early this morning it was snowing, and of course these are ideal for it. As I said before, it's got a brand new set, or nearly very recent Pirelli Scorpions, so shod well all around, nice and tidy. It was absolutely mint this morning. Lance kicked it out of the workshop after having cleaned it and finished it. Unfortunately there's a lot of salt on the road, so he's going to be really chuffed when I get back. It's covered in spray. There we go, just give it some gas. Polo's not for making any steady progress here, so just hold back.